So there are the 6 ratios. The ratios are, number 1, the ratios is sine, then cosine, then tangent, then cotangent, then secant, then cosecant. Okay, these are the 6 ratios. Sine and cosine is called the first and second ratios. Tangent is called the third ratios. Now you see the other 3 ratios is cotangent, secant and cosecant. These are the 6 ratios in trigonometry. Is that clear? Read as sine, cosine, tangent, cotangent, secant and cosecant. Is that clear? But when we write or solve the problem, some short form of the 6 ratios is there. The short ratios of the first ratio is sine. Don't read as sin, you read as sine. Then cos, then tan, then cot, then sec, then cosec. These are the 6 ratios, and these are the short form of these ratios. Okay, sine, cos, tan, cot, sec and cosec. These are the 6 ratios. These are the short form of these ratios. So now I will describe or explain what is sine, what is cos and what is the other ratios. So I will describe then about the first ratios, about the sine. Is that clear about these ratios? So first is that the sine. Actually only the sine have no meaning. Here sine, then we will add one angle. Here we suppose this angle theta. So now read as sine theta. Okay, sine theta. Theta you write at the same line. Don't write in up and down. It is the same line, you write sine theta. And this is the ratios of the opposite side to the hypotenuse. Or in short, we will write that P by H means is the ratio of perpendicular to the hypotenuse. So here you see this, first you have to remember this. In any right triangle with respect to an angle is the ratio perpendicular to the hypotenuse. And here you see the perpendicular side is AB and the hypotenuse side is AC. Okay. So here if we say that sine theta equal to AB by AC, here theta means angle, sine of angle, and these two are the sides. So here is a relation between the angle and sides. Is that clear? So sine theta, read first P by H, and in this figure P means AB and that hypotenuse is AC. Second ratio says cos theta, read as B by H. And in this figure, B is the side is BC and H is AC. Second ratio. Then tan theta, it is P by B. P by B. So here B by H, P by B, that you cannot change. So here P is AB and base is BC. Then cot. Cot is B by P. B by P is just converts or reciprocal of this tan theta. Here B by B and this is B by P. Is that clear? So here B of the side is BC and the P is AB. So cot is just reciprocal of tan. That will write that sec theta is H by B. And if you observe, it is the reciprocal of cos. Cos is B by H and sec is H by B. Here H is AC and B is BC. Okay, then cosec. Cosec theta is H by P. H by P. It is just reciprocal of sine. Okay, so H by P, here H the side is AC and P is AB. So these are the 6 ratios I have described. What is sine, cos, tan, cot, sec and cosec. Okay, so this you have to remember that what is the ratio of the side. First you have to remember, and this according to that side we have to write. But don't remember as ABSC. You have to remember as P by H, that is sine, cos is B by H, tan is P by B, cot is B by P, sec is H by B, and cosec is H by P. So if you can remember that first, second and third, other 3 ratios can remember. You see, tan and cot are converts, means reciprocal. So if you know tan theta, cot just reciprocal. Then cos theta is reciprocal of sec. Cos is B by H and sec is H by B. And sine is reciprocal of cosec. Sine is P by H and cosec is H by P. Is that clear? So these are the 6 ratios. And if you see in this figure, 3 sides AB, BC and AC, these 6 relation can write. Okay? We cannot write more relation in this figure, in this triangle. We cannot write. So these 6 ratios since we can write. So with respect to these 6 ratios, there are the 6 trigonometric ratios. Okay? So this is the first class to you. First you have to learn about these ratios. You have to remember this list, write it, make a list, okay, and practice it. So in the next class we will start the exercise, first exercise in trigonometry. So today you have learned, you practice this, and then next period we will start the exercise 8.1. So whatever I have discussed, so remember it. If you read the page number, here page number 173, 174, 175, it is described about the trigonometry. Okay, read these pages and these relations. Okay, so read this page and find and practice this. So in the next classes I will start the exercise 8.1. Is that clear? So today finished.